Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurliyana, Sahira, and I am from Universiti Kuala Lumpur, and I am a multimedia student. So for my project, we were required to find a client to work with throughout our final year project semesters. So I was instructed to design and develop a website for my client who does product photography and videography. And my objective for my project is to design a website to display all of my clients' work and to develop a working website for customers to book appointments. And here's how it went. So first, let me explain to you my concept design of the website. I wanted to design something minimal but professional, something fun but elegant at the same time. And I want my website to have something that screams tech savvy. So I was inspired by my client's logo. It was black and yellow, and I want to emphasize those colors in my design. But I didn't want to just use black and yellow, so I added accent colors. I added the color white and a lighter shade of yellow just to balance it out. And I don't want to use just any colors. I want to use these specific colors to fit in Focalicious' aesthetic. And the classic black and yellow put together, and I put it in my website. Other than that, the elements I chose are these shapes that you can see in my slides. Just screams tech savvy. The shapes are what brings your design to life. Just little details like these will enhance the look of your design. It will bring much more meaning, make it look more intriguing, and it will make the users want to explore more of your design, more of your website. The process of my website is broken down into 5 phases. So the first phase is the requirement process. This is where I look for a client to work with who is willing to accept my assistance. Next is the planning process. This is where I sit down and talk with my client, talk about the design, what they want, what they need, what they prefer to have in their business website. So we talked a lot. Phase 3 is prototyping. This is where I designed a prototype just to give an idea to my client of what the website will look like. So they can change the design, change the element to make it look to fit their needs than what I can offer. Phase 4 is the development process. This is the tricky part. I'm not sure if you know how websites are made, but they're basically made up of a bunch of HTML codings. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which means programmer language. You see these people type up words and numbers they put together and in a software called Adobe Dreamweaver. That is exactly what I did. I turned numbers and words into designs. For the final release and for the final phase, it is release and evolution process. This is where I release my website to the users. They will see and read the information I've put in, click the different buttons, observe my design, and explore my website. Then they give back the feedback of what they think and how well I did. So that is all for my project, and I definitely enjoy making this. So I hope you enjoy my presentation. Assalamualaikum. Goodbye.